Hello, my lovely people, it's Keiko again, and today is a special video again for a person from comments. Again, Venti, and the video is special because tomorrow Venti has his birthday, and as a Venti's simp, I can't let the opportunity of making a video like this slip off. So there it is. As last time, I want to say I'm sorry if my English is not the best, if I'll be having problems with speaking, or if you don't hear me correctly. Number one, my English is not the best because of the same reason as why do I not speak correctly, and I need to think before I speak because I kind of have a problem with it right now. Plus, I'm sick, and if you don't hear me correctly, then I'm really sorry, but when you have an iPhone, you can't really have normal headphones with microphone like to other phones, and that's why I'm making a video without any headphones, so you just hear everything that is around as well. But I hope you like my video, and no, I do not sound like Venti, but I still am glad that you guys watch it. Thank you and enjoy. Oh, hi Windbloom. What's going on? I thought you had commissions today to do. What do you mean you took a day off? I thought that Primogems and more are really something you want and need right now, so I thought you'll go for all of the commissions you have to do every day. It's not usual for you to just have a day off. Alright then. But if I may ask, why did you take a day off? Because usually when you do that, that means you want something, and I don't know what that is. What? Or that means that it's Christmas, but it's pretty much June, I think. Yeah, I think so. So it's not even close to Christmas. Well, alright then, I'll not be questioning your choices. I was just going to the living room to sit on the couch. I don't see a big problem with that. Unless you want something from me, then go ahead and tell me before I go. You want me to go with you to the kitchen? Don't tell me I broke something again, or you found my wine bottles that I stole from D-Look, or I didn't clean something like you wanted me, because I don't remember you saying that. What wanted me? Wine? Did I say wine? You mean I said wine and that I stole it? I think you heard something not correctly. I meant bottle of water that I got from D-Look. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen. So, what is that you wanted from me? Wyndham, why is a cake here? I don't remember buying it, and for sure if I know about it, it will be gone already. It is for me. Wait, Windlum, you're saying that you took a day off just because I have a birthday? Oh dear, I'm an archon. I spent thousands of years and thousands of birthdays alone. There's no need to just take a day off to spend time with me. I'll be fine, and you could have just spent the night with me, like always, cuddling. That would be fine too. You didn't have to make any cake for me or give me a present. Well, I guess I can't fight with you on my birthday, huh? It's apple flavored. Oh my god, Wimblum, you know me so well. I love apples and everything that is apple flavored. Of course you know. Huh? Yeah, I do have fire. Here. Oh, Windlum, what are you doing? Yeah, I can tell that you're using fire to have the fire on the cake, but what's for it? Okay, I'll stop questioning you. I'm sorry. Close my eyes, wish and blow, yeah? Okay. Let me think. Yes, my eyes are closed. Don't worry, my love. Yeah. Well, thank you very much, Windblom. I really appreciate the effort of making a cake and taking a day off just to spend birthday with me. What do you mean that's not all? Windblom, don't tell me you bought me a gift. Of course you did. You know you didn't have to. You're the gift that it's good enough already. You're enough that I could ever ask for. Even more than I could ever ask for. Oh yeah, don't mind my voice, I'm a bit sick, but yeah. I'm a bit sick. I got sick while being at Deluxe and drinking. But don't worry about that. Going back to the present, as I said, you didn't have to, but since you did buy me something, what is it? I want to see. Okay, I'll close my eyes and I'll wait here. Okay. Oh my god. Windbloom. What is that? It's beautiful. I love it. Thank you. It's the best gift I could ever ask for. Thank you, love. I really appreciate the effort, as I said already. I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but it's just so emotional for me. I'm gonna cry. No one ever did anything so nice for me before. Even Dilk, Kaya, or Zhongli. which is surprising. Thank you, Windbloom. I love you. Okay, let's take a piece of cake, go on the couch, cuddle some, and maybe watch something. And I insist because that's my birthday today. Thank you, Wendlum. I never knew I could be this happy at my birthday, even though I have thousands of years. Thank you. And that's it. I really didn't know what to say or do. I never did. I haven't done a birthday video, so it's kind of new. So don't expect me to do anything great. Plus, I actually am sick again. I'm sick all the time when I make those videos. What the fuck? Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked it. It's not the best. It's for tomorrow, for the June 16th. 16, I think it was June. I don't know. I'm not the best in English right now, as I said, and I don't remember stuff. Because in Polish, it's czerwiec and not June. Okay. I'm tired, I'm sick, and I'm not thinking, so I should go. Thank you for watching this silly video where I was repeating myself and I was sounding like me, not like Venti. I was not even trying because as I was saying things, I had my nose, something in my nose like stuck, I guess. I don't know how to call it, but I just couldn't breathe, so yeah. Yeah, so I should go. If you have any requests for me, then tell me them in the comments. They don't have to be anything with Venti, they don't have to be about Genshin Impact. They can be any anime, any character, just I'll tell you if I watched that, and if I didn't, then I'll get some research, or maybe you'll find a new character for me. Just remember that I'm still a child that has no way, has nothing in the brain. And the only thing in the brain is literally boredom. So, this is all for fun, made by a child for children and oldest. So, yeah. Your requests can be about characters from anime, games, movies, or even children's show. It can be comfort, and it can be reverse comfort. It can be with me as well. With me or the character that I play as a YouTuber, if I can call myself like that, which means Keiko, because Keiko is not my name. I go by Mika. So it can be with Mika, it can be with Keiko, it can be with Venti, Yaoyorozu, Momo, Emma, Ray, but Ray would be really hard to make unless I sound really emo. It can be, I don't know, Mikasa, Armin, it can be Yurio, whoever you want. Even Lisa from Genshin or Hutao. I actually know how to make more seductive voice or more playful one as for those characters. So yeah. See you in the next video or on my Instagram and TikTok. Bye!